Bannayuganda mwenna abali eyo mbakubiriza okujja mu mwoleso gwaffe guno gwa Harvest Money Vision Group gwe yategese. Tuli wano Kololo, turn-up nnungi, abantu mwebali na buli muntu yenna, abalimi, abalina amasomero, abalina buli kintu kyonna, abaagala okulaba ebintu ebikolebwa, abalunzi, abatanajja mu mwoleso mujje. Ekintu kyakutte dda, tubalindiridde, tukyalinayo olunaku olw'enkya, tulina n'olunaku olw'Essande.
We are in Harvest Money. We have started already. Everything is set. We are waiting for you, our dear farmers. We are having all poultry products on site. We have chicks, we have feeds, all type of feeds that you need to feed your birds.
Tegutandise bubi. Nga bwe njogedde agutandise leero abantu batandise okujja. Era mmanyi we bunaazibira n'enkya we bunaazibira abantu bajja kuba bangi ddala.
Everyone, my name is Dr. Gandhi from Malawi, and I'm here at the 2024 Harvest Money Health Expo. As you can see, I'm standing by the giant pumpkins of Uganda. It's actually my first time since I was born to see these giant pumpkins.
I'm Danila Salman, and I own a company which runs poultry feeds. It's called Farmers Junction. We are located in gw'eby'obuhingi, and we always participate in Harvest Money Expo.
I have tomatoes, they are real good. I have seeds, I have seedlings, but I brought a mushroom, a medicinal mushroom.